A Christmas miracle could be up on the rooftop right now, or at least at the bar at Rockhill Grill. Joining me now in the Price Chopper kitchen is Andrew Olsen to explain Miracle at Rockhill. So what is it?
Yeah, so Miracle at Rockhill is a global cocktail pop-up, and we're lucky enough to have the first one in Kansas City.
And I think it's also a good excuse to wear that fun Santa hat. I mean,
Yeah,
why not?
Yeah, that's why I grew out the beard.
Okay, so we kind of touched on this a little bit earlier. We're doing Up on the Rooftop.
Yeah.
What's in that?
Yeah, so Up on the Rooftop is going to be a kind of a seasonal highball.
Okay.
This one's going to have some tropical flavors, but we're going to add a little bit of J. Rieger gin.
Where does the tropical flavors come in?
So this is going to be, there's going to be some apricot liqueur, and then we're also going to add a little bit of pineapple. So we're going to do a teaspoon of the apricot liqueur, a teaspoon of the pineapple, and a teaspoon of the lemon juice.
Okay, so you were touching on Miracle at Rockhill, explaining that it's in like 80 cities across the country and across the globe.
Right.
What can we expect if we go there today?
So if you go there today, you can expect kind of a very over-the-top kind of Griswold decor.
I mean, look at that mug, right?
Right.
That's what we need.
And Christmas movies, Christmas music, all the cocktails are Christmas themed, all the glassware is Christmas themed. You know, even we're Christmas themed. Charlie Hustle made us these really incredible shirts with our logo on it.
So I want to say this. I think like being a bartender maybe, or a bar manager, you do get to meet a lot of people. Maybe they're having a bad day and you can cheer them up. But does the Christmas element just really amplify that?
Oh, totally, absolutely. People are rounding the corner, coming up the stairs. You know, we've got our entrance kind of decorated, but you come upstairs and you round that corner and people are kind of totally caught off guard because it's so overwhelming. There's so much Christmas and no one's coming up there having a bad time.
Okay, and what does it mean to Kansas City to actually have this? Because it's not that many places.
Totally, it's a huge deal. This is definitely something, you know, when we're looking at food and drink culture around the world, this is definitely one of those like added fun layers that we don't normally get to do, so it is a lot of fun. Okay,
you brought in some fun decor. Is this what we're gonna see at the bar?
This is some of it, yeah, but think this times a million. It is.
So we're really over the top.
It is more over the top than you can imagine.
Okay. Do you think I can try this drink?
Absolutely.
I mean, it's ready to go. Okay,
Absolutely.
now why don't you tell me a little bit about some of the other drinks you guys have to offer
as
well?
So some of the other drinks, we've got some that have mulled wine, there's apple cider, there's there's lots of ginger beer, there's lots of pumpkin spice, we've got pumpkin puree, I've got marshmallows and drinks, so it's really everything included.
Okay, and did you come up with all these recipes?
I came up with half of them. There's one menu that you are required to do that every Miracle bar does, and then we did a Home for the Holidays menu featuring J. Rieger products and those.
I love that. So is this Home for the Holidays since we started with the J. Rieger?
It is, yeah, Up on the Rooftop, yeah, and there's 7 other cocktails featuring J. Rieger, and then we've got 12 cocktails on the folded Miracle menu.
Okay, so I have to say, this is such kind of a sweet, fruity flavor.
Yeah.
I think you're definitely sensing that apricot. Is that what it was?
Yeah,
okay.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
And, you know, I guess congratulations on everything you guys are doing there. And maybe we'll have to check it out, see what that Winter Wonderland's like.
Absolutely.